Hello friends, and thank you for joining my channel. My name is Alex and today we'll be talking about Haida rear-mounted ND filter for Sony F2.8 12x24 G Master lens. In this video, I will show you how to safely install backplate for your rear-mounted ND filters and some unedited footage from Sony FX30 that I've shot in Great Britain last week. Before starting, make sure you work in a clean environment and place the lens on a stable surface with the rear mount facing upward. Installing the kit is straightforward and only takes a few minutes. Inside the package, Haida provides a precision screwdriver, a replacement rear filter mount, and the required mounting screws. This system allows you to mount neutral density filters behind the lens, between the lens and the camera body, providing a clean, practical solution for controlling exposure without adding any bulk to the front of the lens. The first step is to remove the factory plastic rear insert from the lens. Using the supplied screwdriver, carefully remove the 3 original screws. It is a good idea to keep those screws in a safe place in case you ever decide to return the lens to its original configuration. Once the screws has been removed, simply lift the factory insert out of the lens mount. Next, take the Haida replacement mount and align it with the screws holes on the rear of the lens. The bit is very precise and designed specifically for the Sony FE 12-24mm f2.8 GM. This is important because Haida manufactures different rear filter kit for different lenses, so always make sure you're purchasing the correct version for your specific lens model. Once the mount is properly aligned, reinstall the 3 supplied screws and tighten them evenly. The new rear filter holder becomes a permanent part and allowing the filter to be installed and removed in seconds where needed. Unlike large front filter system, the rear-mounted design keeps the lens compact, lightweight, and easy to travel while maintaining excellent image quality. Now that the installation is complete, let's take this lens into the real world. During a recent layover in Cardiff, Wales, I used the Sony FX30 paired with the Sony 12-24mm f2.8 GM and the Haida rear ND filter system to capture a variety of cinematic shots. Here's a look at what this setup is capable of in the field.
One of the highlights of my visit to Chepstow Castle was witnessing a reenactment of the English Civil War. As soldiers carrying pikes and muskets marched across the castle grounds, it felt as if history had come alive. These ancient walls have stood here for more than 9 centuries, witnessing battles, sieges, and dramatic moments that helped shape the history of Wales and Britain. Standing here today, surrounded by the sights and sounds of the 19th century, it's easy to imagine what life was like for the soldiers who once defended this mighty fortress.
Friends, if you found this video useful, please leave a like, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.